Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Stars. A beautiful day to you and a great weekend to everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Stars. Okay, a happy new month of October to you all. You all are gorgeous, you all are beautiful, and today we have this perfect haircut for beautiful matured women, and this hairstyles can be paired with any outfit. It can suit any occasion. This haircut you see on the screen will really add that texture to your hair, and they will always accentuate your facial features for that lean look. So you can see one thing about this hairstyle is that it's among the best haircuts for women over 50 because it will always help frame your face and give you that beautiful look you want. So when in doubt or you're looking for styles for your next occasion or for that red carpet even, I would advise you to go for this fabulous look, because something like this hairstyle you can see on the screen is classy and it never goes out of style. So this haircut is one of our favorite, like for me, when it comes to the best short hairstyles for women that have fine hair, or maybe you have the thick hair, or you have the salt and peppered hair, or maybe you're having your gray, or for those that want to go for those beautiful colors, either the ox blood, either the blonde or the platinum, or any kind of color of your choice. This haircut today and the style will really get you looking more youthful, and this hairstyle is also an excellent way for you to really conceal those receding hairlines. And one thing about the hairstyles is that they are elegant and they are always evergreen fashion statements that really draws all attention to your beautiful face. So if you're really tired of wearing your hair down, just grab this beautiful hairstyle. You can screenshot it and take it to your stylist, and they're going to give you this particular style you want. I appreciate you watching. Please watch this video to the end, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. God bless you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.
I'll put you in front of my